Welcome to Papa John's World. Grandma will be here in a minute. We're just gonna split this load of Quake and Aspen into bigger rounds for firewood. This is kind of our firewood stack, and I'll probably get about 3 or 4 cords in that firewood stack. Then if somebody needs a cord, people that I know, there's a few people that burn, I'll sell them some of that, and there'll always be enough if we need firewood. We have that also. We burn about a cord and a half to 2 cords a year is all we really burn to heat our house. Anyway, let's get this started and we'll start splitting bigger pieces today. It should go a little faster. Because those are so stringy, I'm going to take the 4-way wedge off, and I've just adjusted my return stop for the regular wedge, so it works the same way. It just takes a little wrench. It's just a set screw, and it's marked on there. It's easier for Grandma when we kind of stay close there and stack. Hey, that was fun. What do you think, Grandma? You like it?
That was fun.
Yeah.
Hot out here.
Yeah, it's pretty warm today. Holy cow. What do you think about that adjustable return stop? And that made it a little bit easier. So it just has a little set screw. And then I got a filed mark, and about a 1/4 of an inch that way is where it needs to be. This is without the 4-way wedge, and it would set up here for with the 4-way wedge. Of course, then I put just an air chuck quick attach on it, and this is a cylinder setting for storage. And when I first turned on my fuel, it flooded the cylinder with gas. If you've seen that, I might need to check or change my oil. Just the float bolt stuck open, and it allowed too much gas to go in the cylinder. It actually had a little bit of gas coming out the exhaust. Anyway, things happen. Got a pretty good pile of bigger wood now. There's probably 3 to 4 cords, full cords in that stack, probably 3. And I think we did about a full cord. Oop, there went a rabbit. Our friendly cottontail rabbit. It's about Easter, buddy. It's wasn't quite a full cord. Pretty close though. But we were trying to get done before 10 o'clock. What time is it, Grandma?
It's about 9:30, I think.
Yeah, okay.
9:40.
9:40.
Yeah, so we're going to beat that 10 o'clock mark.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So nothing happens at 10 o'clock except our nephew and great niece are coming over, and we're going to put a brush guard on her truck. She's got a later model Ford Ranger with a 5-speed, and she's going to get her driver's license in about what, a month?
I have no
April,
idea.
May or April, or February, March. Late March or April, she's getting her driver's license. So we're going to put a grill guard on the front of her little Ford Ranger. And that's going to tie up the rest of my day. So thanks for watching Papa John's World. Thanks for watching Grandma work. Be safe.